Hello string players, and welcome to another mini lesson with the best teacher in the world, me. Today we are going to talk about something that I have struggled with more than my own mental health. Shifting. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Daniel Phillips, and I'm a cellist that has played over 400 concerts across 16 countries, received dozens of festival invitations, and I have 5 degrees from 7 conservatories, which we are not going to talk about. Despite having 9 post-secondary cello professors, I never really learned shifting from cellists. Oftentimes, the only thing cello teachers talk about when it comes to shifting is circular motion. And let's be real, the only thing that circular motion actually helps with is twerking. After 12 years of struggling, searching, experimenting, and building my own philosophy of what, why, and how, I think I finally understand how to shift. So let's get into it. This first lesson comes from violinist Daniel Phillips. I had the chance to play chamber music with him back in 2018, and this was the lesson that sparked the beginning of shaping my own philosophy on shifting. He said something truly profound that not only helped me with shifting, but with life in general. He said, "You have to know the destination before figuring out how you are going to get there." Let me say that again. You have to know the destination before figuring out how you are going to get there. This honestly blew my mind, because if you don't know what your hand and arm is supposed to look and feel like at the destination, how can practicing the way you get there be of any use? So here's the 4-part method. Step 1, go to your arrival note, not the starting note. For the sake of this example, we are going to use an excerpt from Schumann's Piano Quartet 3rd movement. The passage would be... So the arrival note in this case would be the A on the G string. Step 2. Find the most comfortable, supported, balanced left hand angle and position for this pitch and sit in it for more than a few seconds. Close your eyes and let your body, your nervous system internalize this feeling. Step 3, keeping the angle of your arm exactly the same. And by the angle, I mean your wrist, your elbow, your shoulder, and the amount of distance between your elbow and your body. So keeping this exact angle, all I'm going to do is bring my whole arm and hand frame back towards my starting note. And do not change the shape of the angle or position. Meaning, when you're bringing it back, obviously if you want to keep the exact angle, this is going to be incredibly awkward and uncomfortable. But as tempting as it is, don't come back like this. You want to keep this exact angle as you come back to your starting note. Now, step 4. All you do is snap back into place almost like there's a magnet at the destination pulling your fingertips back home. Most shifting problems come from people obsessing over motion, circles, or weight, but none of that matters if your body doesn't know the arrival point. Once the destination is clear, your methods and practice techniques have something legitimate to build toward. So learn your arrival, memorize the angle, and shift into home, and not some sketchy foreign place your crappy friend would make you go to. Thanks for watching this video, and if you found it to be helpful, please click the subscribe button and share it with a friend who's desperately struggling with shifting, or their mental health. Happy practicing, and see you next time. Bye.